Did you see that? The grace, the pride, the royal attitude, everything was on point. It felt like every move carried a piece of Chittorgarh's history.
Absolutely, Yash. The dancers didn't just perform, they lived the Rajputana spirit on stage. What a majestic tribute to them. उसी चित्तौड़गढ़ की अमर वीरांगना महारानी पद्मिनी, जिनके अदम्य साहस ने एक गौरवशाली इतिहास रचा।
उसी मेवाड़ की राख से उठे एक और वीर महाराणा प्रताप, और महाराष्ट्र में वही ज्वाला बनी स्वराज की नींव छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की अप्रतिम वीरता।
और उत्तर से आती है क्रांति की अग्नि, झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, निर्भीक, अडिग, अजय, जिन्होंने हर कदम को शक्ति बना दिया।
So sit back and immerse yourself and witness NCS Garhwa's future legends.
किस्मत है अलाउद्दीन का।
उसका नाम बताओ।
रानी पद्मिनी।
महारावल रतन सिंह को सुल्तान हिंद का सलाम। समझ चुके हैं हम, मेवाड़ की मगरूर राजपूतों के न सर झुकते हैं न तलवारें। हम आपके बुलंद हौसले की दाद देते हैं और आपकी तरफ दोस्ती का हाथ बढ़ाते हैं। दिल्ली वापस लौटने से पहले एक बार आपके चित्तौड़ की मेहमान नवाजी से रूबरू होना चाहते हैं। हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप हमारे सुलह के पैगाम को कबूल फरमाएंगे।
हम जरूर मिलेंगे।
रावल जी, आपसे मिलने के इंतजार में। तुम जा सकते हो अलाउद्दीन।
हम आपसे विदा लेने आए हैं और हो सकता है कि आज का दिन हमारा अंतिम दिन हो और हम जीवित ना लौटे।
हम भी आपको ये बता देना चाहते हैं कि चाहे युद्ध का परिणाम कुछ भी हो, लेकिन पद्मावती केवल आपकी है और आपकी ही रहेगी।
अलाउद्दीन ने धोखे से रावल शाह को घायल कर दिया और वो युद्ध भूमि में वीर गति को प्राप्त हो गए।
आप जाइए और महल के द्वार बंद कर दीजिए। वीरांगनाओं, आखिर वो घड़ी आ गई है। मां भवानी हम सभी पर अपनी कृपा बनाए रखें। आज शत्रु महल के भीतर आ भी गया तो उसके हाथ कुछ नहीं लगेगा। जय भवानी।
मराठियों का अंत नहीं, मुगलों के विनाश की शुरुआत है।
देखो शिवा, हमसे हाथ मिलाओगे तो हम तुम्हें वीजापुर ले जाएंगे। आपके बारे में अपने बादशाह से बात करके आपको तल कोकम का राजा बना देंगे। डरिए मत, चले आइए। आप तो हमारे भतीजे की तरह हैं, हमारे गले मिलिए।
लक्ष्मी बाई है, शोले बरसेंगे अब तुझ पर, तेरी शामत आई है। की धार को देखो, तुझ पर भारी भार को देखो, तेरे शीश को लेने आई झांसी की रानी आई।
Wow, what a splendid performance by our legends. We truly feel proud to inherit such a rich legacy. Karnataka, our Karam Bhumi, has always been the land of courage and sacrifice.
And now, dear audience, we invite our next tribute, a powerful tribute to the Queen of Kittur, Rani Chennamma.
अंग्रेजों ने फिर से हमारे राज्य को हड़पने का आदेश भेजा है। The British officer Thackeray has arrived to speak with you. Controls Kittur. You must accept our rule and hand over your kingdom. You will also pay the annual tax, 50,000 gold coins, as a symbol of your loyalty to the British crown.
ಕಪ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ? ಕಪ್ಪ ಕೊಡಲು ನೀವೇನು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಡ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದವರೇ, ಬಂಧು ಬಳಗದವರೇ, ಇಲ್ಲ ದಾಯಾದಿಗಳೇ? ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ?
The British Empire does not go before anyone. You must obey the doctrine of rights. Thackeray, this land only bows to justice, not to British command. मैं अपना कित्तूर किसी को नहीं दूंगी. You may have courage, Queen of Kittur, but remember, our army is more powerful than yours. Chennamma, surrender your land or face the might of the British army. ये Thackeray, कित्तूर हमारी जन्मभूमि है। रायण्णा, उनको बता दो हमारा स्वाभिमान किसी भी कीमत पर नहीं झुकेगा। हाँ रायण्णा, कित्तूर की जन्मभूमि पर आज मातृभूमि का जय घोष गूंजेगा। कित्तूर का झंडा नीचे नहीं उतरेगा, अगली पीढ़ी इसे और ऊंचा उठाएगी। जय कित्तूर, जय कित्तूर, जय कित्तूर, जय कित्तूर, जय जनमा, जय जनमा, जय जनमा, जय जनमा।
Remarkable performance. The bravery of Rani Chennamma was brought to life.
From Padmavati's valor to the courage that shaped our nation, from every fearless queen to every determined warrior, history has always honored those who rose to protect and serve.
But bravery isn't locked in the past. It lives even today, in people around us, in those who fight everyday challenges quietly, without applause.
Be it the doctor who heals, the teacher who enlightens, the police who protect, or the sanitation worker who keeps our surroundings clean, their contribution is priceless.
Today, we take a moment to recognize those silent warriors of our community, our real-life heroes, who work tirelessly, often behind the scenes, to make our lives easier and safer. So let's welcome these real-life heroes on stage with a huge round of applause.
Where the golden sands meet the dancing waves lies a small happy village. Here, fishermen sang along with the tides. Children built dreams out of sand, and families lived in harmony with the sea. But nature has its own plans, and one fine evening, everything was about to change forever.
Come, have a look at my sandcastle. It's even bigger than yesterday's one. Let's make a bridge between our castles. The tide won't pass it away this time. You children are sandcastles. Every day the sea takes one and you build another. Just remember, never go too close to the sea, okay? Yes, Ma, but sea looks so calm today. That's how the sea always tricks us. Calm outside, but strong inside. But she's our mother. She feeds us. When she's calm, she feeds us. But when she's angry, we must bow our heads and stay away. True, Ramesh. The sea teaches us patience and respect. Children, one day you must learn how the sea protects and warns us. Thank you, sir. My family is trapped near the shore. We will get them. You help guide us then. Please save my children. They're scared. They will be safe, ma'am. The storm will pass now. You must move to the shelter now.
Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Preacher man, don't tell me heaven is under the earth. I know you don't know what life is really worth. It's an all that Peter is gold. After story and never been told. So now you see the light. Hey, stand up for your right. Come on, get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Most people think great God will come from the sky, take away everything and make everybody feel high. But if you know what life is worth, you would look for yours on earth. And now you see the light. You stand up for your right. Yeah. Get up, stand up. Yeah, yeah. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Life is your right. Get up, stand up. We can't give up the fight. Stand up for your right. Lord, Lord. Get up, stand up. Keep us struggling on. Don't give up the fight. Yeah. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up.
Struck, and when all hope was lost, it was the doctors who stood fearless. They healed, comforted, and brought light in the darkest of moments. A heartfelt tribute to our doctors, our heroes in white, through a mime performance. From destruction came unity, and from unity rose hope. This village was once shaken.
Just like before. Yes, my child. The sea tested us, but it could not break us. Our boats may be gone, but our spirit still sails. This disaster taught us a lesson: to stay prepared, to stay united, and to always follow safety warnings when storms are near. Together, we can face anything. Disaster management begins with awareness.
Your chest, you can beat the world, you can beat the war. Got the guy go banging on his door. You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks. You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you go find yourself. Standing in the Hall of Fame, yeah. And the world's gonna know your name, yeah. 'Cause you burn with the brightest flame, yeah. And the world's gonna know your name, yeah. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame.
One big round of applause for all unsung heroes and our wonderful performers. And now we take it to a land where colors bloom like poetry, where music flows with the wind, and every twirl feels like nature celebrating life itself.
A place so beautiful that even the breeze carries its own rhythm. A place where people dance not just with their feet but with their hearts.
So enjoy the vibrant glimpse of Kashmir, its grace, its culture, its spirit.
चल चलेंगे चार चनारों से मिलेंगे चल चलेंगे चार चनारों से मिलेंगे है वादी कश्मीर बहारों से मिलेंगे बहारों से मिलेंगे वादी कश्मीर है वादी कश्मीर है वादी कश्मीर है वादी कश्मीर तेरे ही पर्वतों पे तो फिरदौस रखा है हाथ पकड़ चल के सितारों से मिलेंगे तेरे ही पर्वतों पे तो फिरदौस रखा है हाथ पकड़ चल के सितारों से मिलेंगे
चल चलेंगे चार चनारों से मिलेंगे है वादी कश्मीर बहारों से मिलेंगे बहारों से मिलेंगे वादी कश्मीर है वादी कश्मीर है वादी कश्मीर है वादी कश्मीर
हर कहानी सिर्फ रंगों से नहीं बनती। कभी कभी हंसी की धुन के बाद जिंदगी एक कड़वा सच भी सुना देती है।
कश्मीर की खूबसूरती जितनी अनमोल है, उसकी कहानी उतनी भी गहरी ही। कहीं जहां लोग मुस्कुरा रहे होते हैं, वहीं कुछ दूर कोई तूफान चुपके से अंदर आ जाता है।
एक ऐसी ही जगह जहां एक पल तक सब ठीक था और फिर एक आवाज ने सब कुछ बदल दिया।
Tonight, through a powerful act, we bring to you the moment when peace was shattered and became a witness to tragedy.
तुझे हम नहीं मारेंगे। अब जा और अपने सियासी लोगों से बोल कि किसने तेरा ये हाल किया।
तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था। ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था।
अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
घर में घुसेगा भी और मारेगा।
मैं कर्नल सोफिया कुरैशी, मैं विंग कमांडर योगिता सिंह। क्या आप इस मिशन के लिए तैयार हो? यस मैम। क्या बदले के लिए आपका खून खोल रहा है? यस मैम। ऑफिसर्स फायर है, ऑफिसर्स फायर है।
शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो
Didn't that send a shiver through your heart, Yash? The valleys of Kashmir, breathing in rhythm. Our soldiers standing unshaken on icy borders. That is the heartbeat of Bharat.
Ladies and gentlemen, what an extraordinary evening it has been. Our annual day celebration has culminated in a spectacular showcase of talent by our exceptional students. These performances were nothing short of marvelous.
Let's applaud these incredible students once again for their outstanding performances and for making this moment truly unforgettable.
May I now request the Chief Guest of the evening, Flag Officer Commanding Karnataka Naval Area, Rear Admiral Vikram Menon, VSM, to share his valuable words of wisdom.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Anjali Singh, Principal, NCS Karwar, our dear teachers, and all the wonderful students. I think you will all agree with me that today's performance has been simply outstanding. There was culture, there was energy, there was color, there were stories of valor, and there was stories of recognizing the unsung heroes of society. I would like to truly compliment the teachers and the students who put together this wonderful show. What was especially fantastic was that it went through without a break. For 2 hours, we sat, we watched, we clapped, and I think every moment was really enjoyable. So before I, give a few thoughts, may I request each and every one of you to present here today to once again give them a really strong, loud applause. So our principal was just telling us while we were watching the show that they just started practice from 1st of November. I can't imagine putting together such a fabulous performance in just 3 weeks. Truly outstanding. Ma'am, your annual report gives us so much of confidence that NCS Karwar has truly become one of the most outstanding naval schools today we have. And why this is important is because Karwar is a growing base, Karwar is the future, and with NCS growing the way it is, I am sure in the years to come, Karwar is going to become the station of choice for everybody. Thank you so much. Your students have excelled both academically as well as in their extracurricular activities, which is truly something which leads to all-round development. I would like to compliment all the teachers who work hard day and night to make sure that they get the right inputs. I had said this on Teachers' Day, that all of us remember that one teacher who helped us, guided us, and made us who we are today. Each and every one of you is fulfilling that role, and thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts on behalf of the entire naval community at Karwar. I am sure all the parents are very anxious to go and meet the children who have put on such an outstanding show, so I am not going to take any more time. However, it is traditional that the chief guest announces a holiday on completion of the annual day function, and your principal has been very kind and she's requested me for 2 days. But I think for such a great performance, parents, do you agree if they can give them 1 extra day, so 3 days? Okay, so I have requested the principal 3 days. I always wanted an extra day holiday in school, so now that I can give you one, so we'll get 3 days as and when the principal decides. So thank you once again to each and every one of you for putting up such a fantastic show. We are truly amazed and most grateful. God bless.
We now invite all the students and their mentors for the grand finale. Join us for an unforgettable evening celebrating talent, achievement and excellence.
I cannot hear the voice. Good evening, NCS. Are you all ready for the grand finale? How is the Josh? How is the Josh? Put your hands together, tap your feet, because grand finale, the Eagles of Valor coming before you.
gratitude makes every achievement more meaningful. And before we bring this beautiful evening to a close, it's time to honor every hand, every heart, and every effort that made tonight possible. May I now invite Yashwardhan Singh to deliver the vote of thanks.
Deputy Head Boy of Navy Children's School, Karwar. It gives me immense pleasure to extend my heartfelt gratitude on behalf of Navy Children's School, Karwar to everyone who contributed to making this event a resounding success. First and foremost, our sincere thanks to our chairperson and chief guest for the evening, Rear Admiral Vikram Menon, VSM, and Mrs. Aparajita Chatterjee Menon, for gracing this occasion with their esteemed presence. We extend our deep appreciation to all parents for their constant and current value to this celebration. A special note of gratitude to our teaching and non-teaching staff, whose dedication and tireless efforts ensured that this event unfolded with perfection and grace. And finally, to our wonderful students, thank you for pouring your heart into every performance and making this evening unforgettable. As G.K. Chesterton beautifully said, thanks are the highest form of thought, and gratitude is happiness doubled over. Thank you, everyone.
Everyone to please rise for the national anthem.